Now, did you know that electroencephalography, think of those EE sticky white caps you put on your head that track neural activity, showed that students pay more attention during group work than independent tasks, particularly during lectures or videos. So here's the blog post. I'll include the link in the video. There's an interesting MRI scan here. This new study reveals that brainwave activity in classrooms, in real classrooms, reveals that what might look like a distraction, so maybe I'm looking out the window, actually might be deep thinking. It's a reminder that eye contact and posture aren't always signs of engagement. So the next time your student maybe looks away, ask yourself, are they zoning out or are they zoning in? I wish I had this research a couple of decades ago when I was a new teacher to the profession. Real engagement isn't always visible, and students learn best when they are doing the thinking for themselves. Take a look at the research, and thanks for watching.